Okay. A couple months ago, I got my nose pierced, or like a month ago, I got my nose pierced. And I don't really think this is how you're supposed to clean your nose piercing, but this is how I do it because my piercer gave me like this really stupid saline solution that like comes out like this. So it's like a fucking geyser blasting up my nose. So I'm gonna show you how to clean your nose like a stupid bitch. So basically, you're just gonna like go like this, and try not to snort too much of it. And then also, what I do is I kind of like stick the piercing out so it's kind of sticking out like that a little bit, and then I just go like that, and then I do that like once or twice. And usually I don't use that much, but it's nice to do in the morning, because it's like a little a wake her upper thing, like, oh, good morning, here's a fucking ocean blast in your face because it's salt water. But anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget the saline solution on that like button. Fuck.